templates, they are charging $60. In the field of internet, the most important asset which you are having is your particular skill, as most of my audience who is watching this channel is someone who is very skilled in terms of creating print on demand designs. And today I'm going to show you in this video how you can monetize your skill and make more money. You are making one income source, which is your print on demand income source, your Redbubble income, your Merch by Amazon income, but this is something extra which you can really make extra money out of it, and this will not cost you too much time. Okay, and the thing is that there is a huge potential that you can make even more money as compared to what you are making in your print on demand with this. So definitely you can try it out and start making money as soon as possible with this strategy. So now let's get started into this content. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to understand that there is a really awesome platform and which is really loved by most of the creators, and that is Fiverr. Okay, now I went to Fiverr and I searched for something which is known as Canva. Now most of the print on demand or most of the people are aware about Canva, and the thing about Canva is that it is super easy to use and super easy to learn. And now I'm going to show you a really amazing thing about Canva, and that is something that can really be something which can be really be making you some good amount of money. Okay, the thing is that you have seen, as you have seen in the thumbnail, there are people who are just creating this very the most simple forms of graphics on Canva. You can see these are the easiest to create graphic, not at all there is any artistic talent required to create this type of graphics. And the thing is that just for 6 templates they are charging $60, and that's really insane. Because, and you can see 12 orders are in queue, means if this person just gives 1 hour to all the 6 hour and works 6 hour for just 1 day, then this person can really earn some solid money. Okay, just multiply 60 by 10, that is $600, and that is awesome because 12 orders are there in the queue, so there are 10 people who are waiting for her order. And if this person just works for 6 hours and just makes this very simple templates for people on Canva, then she is going to earn this insane amount of money. Okay, as well as there is a standard package in which she just makes 12 templates, and you can see it's $70, as well as there is a premium package. And I can bet that if you are already a print on demand seller, you know how to make this very simple designs. And the thing is that she is charging $80 for that. Okay, it won't take more than an hour to create all this 18 templates if you are already familiar with Canva. And most of the people who are into print on demand are really familiar with Canva. That means that the people who are in print on demand business really know how to use Canva and how to create graphics out of Canva. So that is one of the skills which most of you are having, as you are follower of my channel. And the thing about Canva is that it is very easy to use, and the thing is that you can design all these templates for people on Redbubble. And the thing is that then you can just give a lot of value to the people, as well as you can just create more designs for your Redbubble, for your other platforms, and just keep uploading it, as well as just devote 1 to 2 hours extra of your time, and then you can really make a solid full-time income out of Fiverr, just providing this simplest and easiest of all services. Okay, let me show you something which is really interesting. Now the first thing you need to check out is that those of the sellers who are appearing on the first page have something which is very unique in them. Okay, and you can see the first thing is that you just need to develop your thumbnail templates in a very perfect manner. That would be something that is required if you are going on Fiverr. Okay, so if you are having this very good, you can see this person has posted a video template, and this has really helped her, okay, in terms of getting more attention of her audience or of his audience, okay, of her audience. So you can see now, see, this is very simple. You can see she has just artistically created all these templates. Now these are some of the templates which help her to stand out, and in this way she is able to attract more customers. Okay, so the thing and the best trick to get into first page of Canva is, the first step would be to create an attractive thumbnail. And as a print on demand artist, I know that you are particularly having that amount of talent to do this stuff. Okay, the thing is that, or else you can just show what type of designs you have created with Canva, and just you can start putting those designs over here like this person has put in over here. So this is a very simple thing, because most of the people are not doing this. They are not also providing this video over here. They are not providing this well-made templates or thumbnails which are required for them to get the first order. And in this way you can see there are here 5,000 results are there over here. But do you know that very less people are just selling some of the stuff over here, because most of the people have not at all properly designed their thing over here. So now first start with a low price, that can be start with $10, and then as you start getting some orders, you just have to increase the price, and in this way you can reach a point where you can charge $60 just for creating some templates and some designs for someone. And in this way there is a great opportunity that you can start making some good amount of money. But the trick and the best trick to getting more orders on Canva is to create this type of absolutely attractive and good looking thumbnails. Just invest some extra time in doing this stuff, and there is a huge chance that you will get very good amount of orders, as well as you will really be able to make some good amount of money out of this. The second thing which you need to keep in mind to get orders as soon as possible is that you just have to do the search engine optimization. Okay, now just study 4 to 5 of the top templates and just go through their description or whatever they have shown over there. Okay, and then just check out what is the layout, what type of keywords they have targeted, and just apply those things to your own Redbubble shop or to your own Fiverr gig. Okay, and in this way there would be a greater chance that you will really get some very good clients over here, and you will start making some very good amount of money, as plus you will be building an extra income source for yourself. One would be Fiverr, another would be print on demand, as well as you can even build more income sources, which I will be covering in the upcoming videos. But this is something which is a very good opportunity for all the print on demand sellers, as well as if you are having good graphic design skills, you can also provide services of t-shirt designs on Fiverr. And the thing is that it is the best platform. The thing is that you just have to stand out a little bit. You just have to put in the extra efforts in your thumbnails, and you can start getting orders. Because that is somewhere people get confused, that people just ask me a lot of things, that why we are not getting orders on Fiverr. And the thing is that you just have to put some extra effort in your thumbnail, in your title, in your description, and all these things, and just study the successful gigs which are already there on Canva and what they are doing. Just if you invest your 1 week in understanding all the metrics as well as creating a very good thumbnail for your Fiverr gig, then there is the greatest chance that you will get most amount of orders, and there is a very big chance that you will start making some awesome amount of money on Fiverr using just Canva, because I know that the minimum amount of skill is required to create designs utilizing the power of Canva. I hope you have understood all the things which I am trying to convey in this video, and definitely you will be building this extra income source for yourself and making some extra money online with your skill of print on demand as well as your skill of utilizing Canva. I hope you got some value out of this video. Press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and check out this other awesome videos of my channel Moneymaker 001. We are really near to 1000 subscribers. Let's just take it to 1000 subscribers. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.